we will use a questionnaire that looks at, are you having functional vision issues in terms of eye strain, headaches, tracking problems, binocular vision issues. And that way it alerts you that, okay, if this is something I need to, in terms of a problem-focused examination, that if I'm looking at that, then what I do is then we reschedule for the time, because it takes about 10 minutes to run through the right eye process, to get the patient calibrated, to go explain what they're doing, and then to go through it. And then it takes another few minutes to be able to go through the excellent reports that this generates in terms of the reading IQ and the brain health IQ, which are incredibly powerful.
But using the testing or the training methods that we have with Right Eye, it gives a patient a concrete, do this program, it's this set amount of time. I know that it's trackable. So I know, and my doctor, which is me, knows how many times I did it. I think that it's going to have a lot more compliance than just giving these patients exercises to do on their own.
But all of that, again, is not quite the same as having an eye tracker that's following your eyes. You can't make it up. You can't try to fake it. It just can't happen. And you have this raw data, and again, you can play back these videos. It's not even that you have all the numbers that say what happened. The fact that you can say, look, this is it in real time is huge.
While I can gain the information, I find that Right Eye has been extremely helpful in showing the patient, and especially parents, what I am seeing. So they actually can have a video recording of how their eyes are moving and tracking and how stable they're able to maintain their fixation. So it's been a great tool in being able to show parents and patients how they're doing, instead of just taking my observations and using that as my data.
Certainly, everything we do begins with our vision. So even the tiniest eye movement can be the difference between winning and losing in a sport, or doing well or poorly in a play. So knowing exactly how your eyes move and training them to move efficiently and with purpose, and knowing where that is in space, that's very important. So the Right Eye system helps us track the eyes without wearing some crazy stuff on your face to try to see where you are, but it lets us see in real space, in free space, where you can just move naturally, how that's working and how that translates to your sport.